41. كما يعتبر في وجوب الحج وجود الراحلة حدوثا كذلك يعتبر بقاء إلى إتمام أعمال الحج. You need to have ticket, or you need to have the camel, or you need that in those days. You need to have it from the beginning. Then the Hajj becomes obligated. And the obligation of Hajj continues. Okay? However, if it does not continue, the activation of Hajj will be removed and Hajj will be no more wajib. Like, for example, you are a hyperbolic Irfani person. You purchased a camel for Hajj. So you're training the camel. You are reciting Dua Joshan Kabir, and you're doing a lot of things with this camel, and the camel could not handle it. It got shocked and died. Now your istita'a gone away. You don't have any capacity to go for Hajj. What will you do? Or the money, you're like sprinkling the dollars and say, yeah, I'm going to go for Hajj. And somehow it became deteriorated. So for any reason, okay, God forbid somebody gets lost and he has $10,000 and he's going to go for Hajj, he got lost. Electric bill, huge, whatever, loss, car accident, whatever things happen. And you have to spend that money now in your fixing your car or anything. So what will happen here? You are unable to go for Hajj. Your istita'a has gone away. So he said, as it is required, the provision and the means of transportation, that means the things which will allow you to perform Hajj, which makes the Hajj obligatory. It is also required that it stays, so that the obligation of Hajj stays until the whole acts are done. Ila itmam al-amal. So that means the goat of sacrifice and everything is done, you still have your money which you are spending. فَإِن تَلَفَ الْمَالُ قَبْلَ خُرُوجِهِ. If the wealth got deteriorated before his leaving, أو في أثناء الطريق, or no, he was traveling and his camel went into the episodes of hyperbolic Irfaniism because the camel is going for Hajj and he died there or something like that, or went to the airport, passport got lost or something like that. Things happen, I've seen, like, you see. So لم يجب عليه الحج. Hajj will not be obligatory upon him because the ability is gone. وكشف ذلك عن عدم الاستطاعة. That will reveal the lack of ability. Lack of استطاعة is not there. Lack of ability. من أول الأمر. What does he mean من أول الأمر? أول الأمر, in the beginning he was مستطيع. Hajj became activated. He has not yet started doing Hajj. He had not yet traveled. And something happened and the money got lost or whatever happened. So istita'a gone away. That shows that istita'a never was there because you were never able to leave. Because istita'a needs to continue. Then that means from the beginning you were not mustati'. Why he's saying this from the beginning? Remember, if somebody purposely loses his istita'a, we say Hajj becomes obligated next year. He has to go even if he's not Muslim. Here, it was not his fault. The istita'a got lost, deteriorated, okay? Other than the examples of bragging. Okay, no, just normal person, you see, he was traveling and somebody pulled gun on his head and just took all the money back. So now he can't. So he's not started his journey, or he's during his journey. So he said, no problem. Hajj is not wajib upon you. Hajj is not obligatory upon you. فإن تلف المال قبل خروجه أو أثناء الطريق لم يجب عليه الحج وكشف ذلك عن عدم الاستطاعة من أول الأمر. ومثل ذلك إذا حدث عليه دين قهري, like a person gets lost and then suddenly he has a debt, he needs to pay it off this debt. So the money will go away in paying the debt. كما إذا أتلف مال غيره. Let's say he smashed somebody's car, accident. So what happened? Now he has to pay the damage for the damage he caused, though it was not intentional. Even if you have insurance, you have to pay from the out of the pocket. Let's say the car was like $50,000, the fixing of it, and $10,000 what you're paying from the pocket. Ma لغيره خطأ, because if you deteriorated somebody else's wealth accidentally, you would be responsible. You would be responsible to pay him the compensation. So in this case, accidentally, you did not intentionally. So the wealth, the ability of Hajj, you became unable accidentally, unintentionally, not intentionally. If intentionally smash somebody's car, knowing that you will get into loss, knowing that your Hajj money will go away, then it becomes obligatory. As he says down, Naam, al-itlaful amdi, intentional damage to others' property or whatever, which makes your wealth go away. لا يسقط وجوب الحج. Activation of the Hajj will not be deactivated. The obligation will remain. بل يبقى الحج في ذمته مستقرا. In his responsibility upon his shoulder. فيجب عليه أداؤه ولو متسكعان. So he has to go for Hajj this year, because we said before he leaves or during, he did some damage and his istata' gone away. So just collect here and there, do whatever it takes, just go for Hajj this year. If not, next year you go for Hajj.